HubSpot lost 80% of their search traffic, and that was just from November 2024 to mid 2025. They went from 13.5 million visitors to just 7 million visitors. Now, what this tells me is that if that can happen to HubSpot, it can certainly happen to you as well. So really, the new thing is AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, and it's not something you can exclude for your strategy anymore. So let's dive straight in. Look, just a few casualties beyond HubSpot. We got Business Insider, who had a minus 55% in traffic and decline and laid off 21% of their employees based on that. And then we got the Planet D travel blog. Maybe you know it, but it got completely shut down and taken over by AI. And then you got Charleston Crafted, which also had a 70% decline in its traffic total. Some other stats that might also be interesting to you is that 60% of Google traffic now go 0 clicks, meaning that they get their answer directly on the search result of Google. And I'm talking about the AI overview. And it's absolutely crazy because CTR rates have dropped with 60% as well. And then we have a staggering 90% 0-click answer if you're using Google AI mode. So the ranks that you were traditionally starting to optimize for, just like HubSpot made the traditional SEO play, shot themselves in the foot, because right now people optimizing for ranking still is not the play anymore, because above the rank is where the AI answers are literally living right now. So if you aren't optimizing for AI answers, you're leaving a lot of bread on the table. So like I said, the old thing was showing up on the search result of Google and then optimizing for the clicks. But since people are already getting their answer in the AI answer box right above the ranked companies on that page, that means you need to start getting optimized for AI citations rather than Google rankings. Maybe some of you are unfamiliar with AEO, and that is, like I said at the beginning, Answer Engine Optimization, meaning the new way of SEO. So you're optimizing for citations rather than page ranking. And I'm saying rather than, but honestly, to be completely fair, you shouldn't replace your SEO strategy at all. They go hand in hand. So combining these together are going to be the brands that win. So that could be you. And I want to talk about a few things you can leverage. And the first thing is that you get lead with the answer, because 40% of chatbot answers take 30% of the first bit of blogs or articles, meaning that you should optimize for most information with the most statistics right at the start of your blog. Otherwise, ChatGPT will just glance over it and not even look at it. Think about the things you could do is you could do an answer capsule at the top, or for chatbots, or TLDR, something like that, that will immediately tell the chatbot what the page is about, what your brand is about, and how to get cited right away. Pages with that, on average, get cited 22% more. Number 2, something you should do is structure for extraction for the chatbots. Do FAQs, markups, lists, and use a lot of statistics, because these are things it can immediately extract from the article into its answer. And number 3, get cited where AI is actually looking, right? Think about it. Reddit, Wikipedia, and editorial website is about 20% of all the citation power you need. Combine that with SEO, backlinks, and brand mentions on a bunch of platforms, and you're going to be golden. But another thing that is good to know is that Reddit has grown 87% since 2025 in chatbot citations. If you got 5 to 10 threads on Reddit that show up consistently, that shows that you're authentic and that there's people speaking about you. So if you aren't already showing up on like Reddit, Quora, Facebook discussions, other forums where you could be active, it's time to start optimizing for that, because AI loves to extract from that. And it's proven to be used in these AI answers, right? Number 4, also refresh your content on a regular basis. So I'd say every 3 months, do a complete overhaul of your pages. Don't just let your old content sit. Make sure your numbers are up to date, remove unnecessary stuff, and just make sure that you do fresh content, because AI loves to see that it's actively being renewed with fresh content and you're not just rechewing the same thing over and over again. Just revamp your content every few months, and that will also significantly contribute to your pages being ranked way more. And number 5, test weekly, if not daily. And if you don't have the time for that, then I'm going to tell you something later on. But what I mean by testing is type the prompts into ChatGPT, see what competitors are showing up, and see what's being said about you. But not only that, also type in competitors. So like best CRM software. And if you see a list of competitors, you're going to be like alternative to, and then your competitor. See what's being said, see the citations that it's using, and start optimizing for that. Because not only do you then know the exact sources that your competitors are optimizing for, you know where you can take market share from them. And we go subscriber by for number 5. The previous list, like I said, the testing every single day. We created the platform that shows you your AI visibility. We run prompts on autopilot, so you immediately know whether your competitor are showing up. Plus, we'll tell you if you're mentioned, so you can see your AI visibility score going up. We'll show you the exact citations, and we let you outreach to all of the pages and through our engagement engine on Reddit and Quora. So that is going to be your ultimate loop and power for now. If you want a platform that has everything under one roof to start optimizing your AI results, check out CrowdReply here in the description below. We have a 7-day free trial, and I'm gonna absolutely promise you're gonna love the platform. So here is what I want you to do this week. You're going to ChatGPT. You're going to type in a bunch of prompts with your brand. See whether you show up or not. You're going to compile those prompts. Go to CrowdReply, fill in those prompts. Let us auto-correct also some of your prompts and add more prompts to them. And then we start to rank with you. Bottom line is you need to start optimizing for AEO together with your current SEO strategy. Then you will be golden. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'd love to see you around on our platform or on X.